Evidence-based practice is an integral part of nursing. Let's review 2 evidence-based nursing resources. Click on the link to the Joanna Briggs Institute. In the search box, type Diabetes and Children. Under Publication Types, click Evidence Summaries. Then click the Search button. You'll need to scroll down to see the results. Evidence-based summaries will be listed by relevance from a 5-star to a 1-star rating, with 5 stars being the most relevant to 1 star being the least relevant. To read the full text of the article, click the JBI PDF link on the right side of the results. If you move your cursor to the upper right corner of the PDF, you can print or download the article. On the left side, you can click the Email Jumpstart icon to email the article. Nursing Reference Center also provides evidence-based resources. Click on the link to Nursing Reference Center and type Diabetes and Children. Then click Search. Click the Evidence-Based Care Sheets tab. The care sheets will be listed by relevance. You can also narrow results by subject, age, and gender. To access the evidence-based care sheet, click the PDF full text link. If you move your cursor to the upper right corner of the PDF, you will see a drop-down bar where you can download or print the article. A toolbar area above these functions includes an email icon to email the article.